In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a Webex recording. Whether you're looking to cut out unnecessary parts or simply want to polish your recorded meetings for sharing, this tutorial will help you easily navigate the process within Webex. To get started first, you'll need to open the Webex User Hub. This is your central dashboard for all Webex activities, including accessing your recordings. If you're on a free trial, you might notice that some features like editing recordings are not accessible. This capability is available only for premium users, so make sure your account has the required access. Once you're in the Webex User Hub, look for the recording section. Here you'll find a list of all your recorded meetings. Browse through the list to find the specific recording you want to edit. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple recordings from different sessions. After selecting the recording you wish to edit, click on the Edit or Trim button. This will open up the editing interface where you can make adjustments. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to make the editing process as seamless as possible even for beginners. One of the primary editing options available is adjusting the start and end points of your recording. This feature is particularly useful if you want to remove any unnecessary sections at the beginning or end of your meeting. Simply drag the sliders to set new start and end points. As you do this, you might want to play the recording to ensure that the points you've selected accurately reflect the content you want to keep. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, it's the time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which will apply your edits to the recording. This step is crucial as failing to save will mean losing all the modifications you've made. After saving, your recording will be updated and ready for use, whether that's for personal review or sharing with others. And that's it. Editing your Webex recordings can be that simple. By following these steps, you can ensure that your meetings are concise and focused, highlighting only the most important parts. Whether for business or personal purposes, having the ability to edit recordings can enhance the way you share and archive your meetings. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, remember that Webex offers support resources, including FAQs and customer service, to assist you further. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your Webex experience.